Hey guys, welcome back. Today I would like to share you how to get a new wallpaper from MacBook Pro, the 14-inch MacBook Pro that Apple has just been released. And with the new MacBook, you always got the new wallpaper. So that's why I make this video and share to you on how you can get those on your iPhone. And all you have to do is just go ahead and go into the App Store, and then you need to download the app called Wallpapers Central. With this one, it offers you a ton of wallpaper within this app. So all you have to do is just go ahead and tap on open. And from the top, you're gonna see we have like 4 of the wallpaper from the new MacBook. And in case for some reason if you cannot find it, just go ahead and search by click on the search button on the top and type the new MacBook wallpaper. You can type it in. And then let me go ahead and save the wallpaper real quick. And to save, just select the one that you like, and you're gonna find the download button here. So you can see it is around 3.8 megabyte. It still preserves the quality of the photo even though you zoom in. And now let me download. And then you can see here, just wait it until 100%. Your photo will be saved into your camera roll on your iPhone. And that's it. And now if you jump into your photo app, and you can find the wallpaper that you have just saved at the moment. And even though I zoom in, you can see the quality is still good, and it looks nice on my iPhone 7 as well. And thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Then I will see you guys in the next one.